Welcome to the Coral Kingdom, where corals paint the seabed with their vibrant hues, providing shelter and a playground for the enchanting fish that call this place home. Among them is Finn, the curious clownfish, with stripes as bright as the sun, and Ella, the graceful angelfish, whose shimmering scales reflect the colors of the rainbow. They're joined by Benny, the adventurous butterfly fish, flaunting intricate patterns. As they navigate the coral maze, they meet Sam, the wise seahorse, and Lily, the shy octopus, who show them secret passages and playful hideouts among the swaying corals. Their joyous exploration comes to a halt as they stumble upon a part of the reef in distress. Trash and pollution have marred its beauty, endangering the homes of their friends. With determination in their hearts, Finn, Ella, and Benny lead their friends, enlisting the help of dolphins, turtles, and even a friendly whale. They organize a cleanup and spread awareness, inspiring others to join their cause. Through teamwork and dedication, the rainbow reef shines once more. The corals thrive, the fish dart joyfully among